Yes, this is going to show a problem with the foundation on this house. So anyone helping out would be greatly appreciated. From the outside, this is what we have. That window there is the bathroom. This is a poured, I guess, patio years ago. Dirt. And these are supports we put in to help it support the wall. So, seems to be working okay. We'll go through, show you what we've done so far. This is a shoot. You see it. This is a wall, middle wall. Probably have to support it. On the other side's the kitchen. And on the other side of this wall is a bedroom, but we also already poured a slab on the other side of that. And under the sliding door, we did put tried to make it secure to put that sliding door in years ago. This is a dividing wall to the bedroom on the other side. I put those blocks in there just in case it was being supported, just to be on the safe side. That needs to be supported, I would say. And this is on the other side of that wall. Basically, it looks like brick and old railroad ties. So really nothing supporting much at all right now. And on the other side of this wall is the bathroom. And you can see there's for the drain for the toilet and that. And there's not much there. I guess we could use some sort of jacks and maybe dig footers and support it up and then pour a concrete slab. Any thoughts would be appreciated. I'll show you what the bathroom looks like. This is going to tear this floor out all the way yet. You see daylight through there. This is where it goes to the other side. It's kind of messed up. It's just all rotten. Needs to be taken out, and we thought maybe a concrete slab. The question is, do you do it all the way over underneath the tub, take it all out? Do you take all that out and pour under there? I guess probably the best way. Hot water heater. The floors, we tried to repair this 4 years ago. Just really collapsed over there on the commode, which will let everyone know there was a problem there. So, Richard or anyone else, if you come up with some great ideas, let us know. Over and out.